Hello children, welcome to the online classes. In our last class we have done till third question. Now we are going to do with the fourth question. Leave one line. Fourth question. What is the fourth question? Why did Raju tie the rings around a pillar of the bridge? Why did he tie around the bridge? So, why did Raju tie the reins around a pillar of the bridge? Why he tied? As the boy was very small and the river is flowing, so he was not able to pull so that's why he has tied the reins around the pillar of the bridge. As Raju was small and the river was flowing, he was not able to pull the pony onto the land. So he tied the reins to the pillar of the bridge. Okay, because he was not able to pull the pony out, he tied the reins to the pillar of the bridge. As Raju was small and the river was flowing, he was not able to pull the pony onto the land, so he tied the reins to the pillar of the bridge. He tied the reins to the pillar of the bridge. Okay, now turn the page and write the fifth question. How did the pony get out of the stream? So after tying, what did he do? Raju went to the village and he bought some villagers. So that villagers helped the pony to come on to the land. Some villagers waded into the rough stream and brought Mala onto land. Some villagers waded into the rough stream and brought Mala onto land. Okay, then leave one line, write sixth question. What were the village people talking about that evening? What were all the village people were talking about? They were talking about how Raju saved Mala the pony. The whole village was talking about was talking, the whole village was talking about how Raju saved Mala, the pony. How Raju saved the pony? They were talking about that. All the people were talking about that. Okay. Then with this we have completed with these question answers. On page 125 we have some more question answers. Let's read between the lines. So let us write that. Take next page, write heading, let's read between lines. What is the question? Which of these words describe Raju? Say why. Clever, afraid, kind, weak. Which word would describe clever and kind? Yes, clever and kind describes about the Raju. Why? This, see, Raju is very clever. He know that he is small, but he will not be able to. The river is flowing. There is a rough river. The stream is flowing very hard. It is very fast. He cannot. He don't have the strength to remove the bring the pony onto the land. But he tried to tie the reins to the bridges so that the pony will be stopped there, and he went and brought some elders so that they can just take out the pony from the stream. Okay, so first one, which of these words describe Raju? Say why. Clever, afraid, kind, weak. Answer is clever. Why? Because he saved the pony by using his umbrella's handle as a hook and called some elders from village for help. Okay, then what was Raju's reward? What was Raju's reward? The pony itself. What was Raju's reward? Mala the pony. Mala the pony was the Raju's reward. He got the pony as a gift so that he can ride to the school. Then third one, what would you have done to save the pony if you were Raju? What would you do? I would have done the same thing. I would have done the same thing. Okay. Then with this we have completed even the classwork part. Then we have I wonder why, that we will do it in our next class. Have a good day.